Today we are going to be replacing the rear brake pads on this 2020 Ford Escape. So before we even jack this up, I'm going to go ahead and enter service mode on this. So we are going to push the start stop button without pushing the brake down so it doesn't start. And then we are going to hold the accelerator pedal down and also hold our parking brake down. And then we are going to go ahead and push the button while holding both those things down. And now we are going to push the button again. And there we go. All right, I'm ready to go ahead and jack this side up. Over here, there is a little arrow right here indicating your lift point. So you're gonna lift on this little area right here. Next, we're going to remove this wheel. This has a locking plug here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one done first. And then these are all 19 millimeter. So now we have access to our caliper, and there are some little covers on this that need to be removed. So now we have access to the bolts, and it would appear that a 7 millimeter Allen fits this. We have also got this clip on the front here that needs to be removed. Now I'm going to clean these up. Here's the part number for the replacement pads that I'm installing. Comes with new hardware. We need to depress this piston, and I've got the old brake pad on here, and I don't want to go against this plastic piece because I don't want to break it. So I'm going on top here, and hopefully I've got enough grip to be able to depress this back in. I think that might be as far as we need to go. So now I just need to grease up everything and then throw the new pads on, put grease everywhere where there is going to be metal to metal contact. This one with this little metal spring thing goes on the inside. Also go ahead and put some grease on these slides. So now we just need to get this all lined up and get these started. Don't forget about the caps that go on the back side. These get torqued down to 100 foot-pounds. And obviously don't forget about this clip piece either. It's also important. We're all done with this side, so now we just repeat the same process for the other side. We've got all our new brake pads installed on the back, so we need to deactivate the service mode. So we're going to do basically the same thing, except for we're going to pull up on this. So we're going to press that, engine start stop. We're still in brake maintenance mode. We're going to depress the accelerator, pull up on the parking brake, hold both those, and then push, push, and I can hear it. So we have left service mode, parking brake is on. So there we go. So we're all done. Thanks for watching. God bless.